the day. I am Ayushibist of 9th standard standing here for model presentation. My model is based on Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion states that the rate of change in momentum is directly proportional to the applied force, which means F is equal to ma, where F stands for net force, M stands for mass and A stands for acceleration. Here is an example of Newton's second law of motion. When the rocket engines ignite, they pushes hot gases back of the rocket. This creates a force that pushes the rocket forward. So, Newton's second law of motion depends on two things, mass and acceleration. Mass, how much stuff is in the rocket, including fuel, payload and rocket itself. Acceleration, how quickly the rocket changes speeds over time. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Pavni and hope you all will be fine, and she is my partner Akshara Lohiya. Today we are here to demonstrate our physics model in front of you, and which shows Newton's second law of motion. According to Newton's second law of motion, the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the applied force. And here you can see that our model is on the inclined plane and there are two boxes on the inclined plane, and we will show you the relation between the mass and acceleration on this inclined plane. Here you can see that in both the boxes there is equal mass. So it is proved that equal mass have equal acceleration. And what happens if we put mass from one box? So if we are putting mass from one box and it is, you can see that it will slide down here.
Here you can see that one box having heavier mass and one box having lighter mass. So heavier one is pulling the lighter mass. So if we have to balance them, we have to put equal mass in both the boxes. So it is proved that F is equal to ma.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
Good morning one and all present here. My name is Manya Gupta and I am from 9th standard. Today I am here to represent my model, and my model is based on Newton's second law of motion. In Newton's second law of motion, he said that the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the applied force. Now here, as you can see, there are two buckets. One is filled bucket and one is empty bucket. And when we hit both the bucket together, the bucket which will fill, it take much time to stop, and the bucket which is have less mass take less time to stop. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Diksha Kholia and she is my partner Sarika Thakur. We both are from 9th standard.
Today we both are here to demonstrate our model in front of you, which is based on the Newton's third law of motion.
According to Newton's third law of motion, every action has an equal and opposite force.
The two opposite forces are called action and reaction.
So we are going to explain you our model. As soon as the rocket will start, it will release gas downwards, which is action.
And in reaction, the rocket goes in the upward direction, which describes that Newton's third law of motion.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Good morning all of you. My name is Nihat Khara and she is my partner Suhani Mehta. We are here for showing our project.
Our project is depend on Newton's second law of motion, which is states to F is equals to ma. When force is applied, then the acceleration is depend on its mass.
You can see that there are two cups. One is filled and one is empty. So according to Newton's second law, this body which have mass and also increase force.
Good morning all of you, myself Piyush Pant. Today I am standing here to demonstrate my science model, which is based on Newton's second law of motion. Law and inertia. Here you can see there are two objects. One is filled bucket and one is empty bucket. When we apply force in both of the buckets, you can see filled bucket swing more than the empty bucket, which shows that the objects which have much mass have much inertia and the objects which have less mass have less inertia. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. Myself Priyansi. I am from class 9th B. My project is based on Newton's second law of motion. When we hit the both of the body which have large amount of mass, it takes more time to stop. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Ati Samant. I am the student of class 9 and today I am here to show you the working model of Newton's second law. In the second law, Newton stated that the body which have mass will accelerate more than the body which have less mass. So we can see that there is two cups. Empty cup will move less and the filled cup will move more. So we can see that